Crypto Miner Tycoon by MTAG Publishing is a mobile simulation game that immerses players in the world of virtual cryptocurrency mining. It's available on both Android and iOS platforms. This platform has garnered positive feedback for its engaging idle gameplay and strategic depth. So in Crypto Miner Tycoon, players start by manually mining cryptocurrencies through tapping. As the game progresses, they can automate operations by hiring managers, expanding mining farms, and investing in virtual assets like NFTs. The objective is to build a thriving crypto empire, maximizing profits, exploring new digital ventures. Notably, the game is purely a simulation and does not involve real cryptocurrency transactions, unfortunately. So far, Crypto Miner Tycoon has a rating of 4.0 with over 5 million downloads and over 63,000 reviews. Players commend the game's addictive nature and satisfaction of building a virtual crypto empire. The combination of idle clicker mechanics with strategic elements like hiring managers and expanding mining operations keeps players engaged. However, some users have noted that the game can be repetitive over time with limited diversity in upgrades and events. So let's go through the technical details. So you need platforms. Android requires version 7.0 or later, and iOS requires 13.0 or later. It's approximately 170 megabytes on Android and 455 megabytes on iOS. It's free to download with in-app purchases though, and there are quite a few advertisements in game as well. So, Crypto Miner Tycoon offers an engaging idle gaming experience, blending the excitement of cryptocurrency mining with strategic business management. While it doesn't provide real world earnings, it serves as an entertainment simulation for those interested in the crypto industry. If you're looking for a casual game to pass the time and enjoy the mechanics of building a digital empire, this title is worth exploring.